Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix some issues in your Kindle book. And as you can see, I'm using Microsoft Word to upload my file in KDP. And the problem with that sometimes is the formatting is off. There's some issues that you won't be able to see in Microsoft Word, and you will be able to see that once you have it previewed in KDP. Now I am here on the preview page of my book. As you can see here right now, the table of contents has like this a lot of underlines, which is not visible in the Microsoft Word file. So there's a tabbing here and basically some lines below it, and I don't want to make it look like that. So let me just go here to the recipes section. I'm using a cookbook here. So as you can see here, there's some just a lot of improvement that we can do. The images are probably quite too small as well, and it doesn't lay it out properly. As you can see here, it should be on the next page. So there's just a lot of issues that needed to be fixed to make it look more professional. Alright, now the problem is sometimes in Microsoft Word, if you upload in KDP, there's some issues with the images that doesn't display properly as well. So aside from the spacing, the page breaks and all of that, there's a lot of stuff. Well, that's because in the movie format or the Kindle format would convert your file into a movie with embedded HTML and CSS in it. So the code is not visible in Microsoft Word unless you use tools like Calibri or Sigil. But in this video, I'm going to show you an easier way, an easy trick to fix this problem without doing a lot of coding and modification in the HTML code. So right here, I have on this tab, I have downloaded a Kindle textbook creator. Now what it does is it will use your existing PDF file and it will just convert it into Kindle package format. So the file that will be created is only applicable to Kindle. But a good thing about this is you can embed audio, video, or image. So if you're using an image, it will pop up in your Kindle devices. And it's also specified here in what format has been is supported. Now this is a different version from the Kindle Kids Book Creator. This one is you can create an illustrated books for kids. This one is much more like a tutorial kind of book. So yeah, let me pull it up so you'll be able to see it. This is an example. So as I mentioned, it only supports PDF file and it will be converted into Kindle package version. Now before we upload the file here, let me open my Word document. So as you can see here, the table of contents right here, after uploading it in KDP, it shows like this, but in Microsoft Word it actually doesn't show anything here. If I highlight that one, the underline formatting here is not highlighted, so there seems to be an issue there. If I go to my recipes section, I just actually let it flow. I just use here return key to just put in all my recipes there. So it will not go to the next page until I just use a page break. So it would also affect the format in Kindle, as I've shown you a moment ago. Now to use this Kindle textbook creator, we need to make this one here a PDF. So we can go to File and click on Save As, and we need to select the PDF file. Alright, so here's an example. Okay, I'm gonna save it in this folder. So there you go, we have the PDF version. Let me just scroll down here. Alright, so this is exactly how it would show up in the Kindle textbook creator. So let's go ahead and let me just close this out, and let's upload the file. There you go. There you go, it's important. So that's all you have to do. There's no HTML, CSS coding you need to do here. It would show up as what have been showing up in the PDF version. So as you can see here, there's the formatting, just like that one. So as you can see here, my table of contents, let me go to that one. Here, the table of contents is showing up like this already. So it's whatever you seen in your PDF, it would show up like this as well. Now I can make this my table of contents by clicking on this one right here, and I'm gonna name it TOC1, and I'm gonna make this one here TOC2. What this does include page in the table of contents is when you go back here, you have your table of contents. It will create a new page here, right? So beginning cover table of contents, so it will show up TOC1, TOC2 here as well. That's how it does. So once I'm done and happy with my work, what I'm gonna do here is click on preview. Okay, that's the good thing about this. It will same as the online previewer, this one is much faster because it's in your computer. Now you would be able to see it right away. If I go here in table contents, as you can see here, here's the TOC1, TOC2, as I mentioned a moment ago. So you can create chapters here as well. Now to preview the book, you can just go here and click this one right here. This is how it would show up. Alright, so if I say go to the recipes section, there you go. So the good thing about this is the image has been embedded already, and it's already part of this package here of this file. Now as you can see, you would be able to easily see the your entire content by using this tool without even uploading it. Because I've seen some people uploading the file in KDP so that they would be able to preview it. Now you can use this to preview it by converting your PDF file. So that means you can use the full potential of Microsoft Word. You can format whatever you like there. It doesn't matter if you have like hidden formatting that need to be fixed in the Kindle version. This one right here will do this for you without any problem at all. So let's say, for example, I found some issues here, like I'm gonna put this here on the next tab, then I'll just go to my document and do some changes there. Once I'm done, I'm gonna export it again as PDF, then go back here and preview it. That way I would be able to make a better looking Kindle version. Now once I'm done and I'm happy with my work, what I'm gonna do here is go right here. You won't be able to see that. Let me just minimize. Okay, there you go. You have preview and package. Now if I click package and click save, save your Kindle book before packaging. Okay, I'm gonna save it first. So this is the file name it will do, KCB. I'm gonna name it Project Diet. Alright, now I'm gonna save it. Okay, the book has been saved. Now I'm gonna create what we call a KPF package, Kindle package format. So that's it, Diet Kindle KPF, and I'm gonna save it. Your file has been packaged for publishing. So that's it. You need to upload it directly to the publishing Kindle Direct Publishing website, and I'm gonna click on OK. All right, let's go back to my my folder. This is where I save the files. This is the file that you need to upload in Kindle. All right, this is exclusive only for Amazon. And the project diet folder here, this is the project that we've been working on. So if you need to do some changes in your document, all you have to do is just pull it up by double clicking on it, and it will go back to this tool once again, so you can make some changes. And all right, so let's go to the Amazon KDP and let's see how it works. Alright, now remember that I have this book already uploaded in Kindle, and I use the Word document file. Now it will give me an error message because I will be using a different format now. I'll go ahead and browse. I'm gonna show you how it would what's the error, and I'm gonna use the file that we have created, this one here. Okay, there you go. The file you're uploading is a different format from an earlier version you published. So that means to release this new version, please republish it as a new book. Oh, okay. There's some problem there. So this process is quite a little bit scary because if, say for example, you have already your book have some rankings on it, you have already set categories, keywords, and all of that, and it will ask you to create another title with the same author, well, exactly, just a duplicate the same information. So what the advice is, you actually publish the new version with the same title, basically just copy paste everything, and then you contact KDP support to do this. Now before I did that, I went into support and then asked them. So let's just check the message they told. Alright, so here we go. Here's the message that I sent to them. I mentioned that I already use Word as my original content, and what will happen if I use a KD or a KPF format. So here's the reply from Amazon. This said, all the customers reviewed can be transferred. The only bad thing is the rating from one ASIN to another. So basically the ASIN number will be converted into a new one, but the book is still the same. So that's the theory behind this. If you are gonna use a new version in KPF format. So that's it, guys. I hope this helps. Now, if in case you wanted to do some changes in the future, if you have a new book, then I would probably suggest that you stick with the format that you have been using, say for example this KPF format, and use that instead. But yes, it's still possible to use a different format. Only thing that you need to do is, of course, you need to contact them, and your reviews and will still be there, same book, same data, but the only difference is that your rating will be different. It will not be carried away, carried over this time. So I hope this helps, and this is just a short preview on how to use this Kindle text creator. I would probably make a video using other tool like Sigil, or whatever you call it, Sigil, and Scrivener and Calibre, all other tools that we can use to maximize, to make more professional looking Kindle books. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. You have a good day. Bye bye.